How to go live on TikTok. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how to go live on TikTok. So as you can see, when I try to place on this plus button over here, it will take me over here, and you can see there is no any option to directly create or upload or go live on TikTok. So even though I'm older than 18 years old, it's still not giving me an option to go live. So in that case, what you can do is just come back to your screen, your home page, and from over here just tap on this profile section and just click on this hamburger icon over here. And once you select settings and privacy, so once you're inside settings and privacy, just scroll all the way down and just click on report a problem from over here. So now basically you have to click on live and just click on any of the option like hosting live, or just search in for how to start a live. And once you're inside here, just read all of the following, and if it's not helpful, so we'll just directly click on no, and you can just click on this need more help option, so which will take you to this page. And from over here, all you have to do is just describe your problem to them regarding how to go live on your TikTok, and once they view your message, they will be responding to you within 24 hours, and they might add your feature to live on your TikTok. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.